Hey, Matt McCoy here. Did you know that nearly 1 out of 8 drivers on the road today are uninsured? Yeah, that's pretty surprising, isn't it? Now imagine you get into an accident with someone who doesn't have insurance. You get hurt, and they can't help pay for your medical expenses. Then what? Well, that's where uninsured, underinsured motorist bodily injury coverage can help. Uninsured motorist bodily injury coverage pays the medical expenses for you and your passengers when the other driver is at fault for the accident, but doesn't have insurance to pay for the injuries. It's generally recommended that you buy this coverage in limits equal to your bodily injury liability limits. If the other driver has some insurance, but not enough to pay all your expenses, that's where underinsured motorist bodily injury coverage can help. Depending on your limits, it can make up the difference you might otherwise have to pay out of pocket. In some states, you can also purchase uninsured, underinsured motorist property damage coverage, which would help pay for damages to your vehicle. Contact the Hartford to help you determine the uninsured, underinsured motorist coverage that's right for you.